Hey, I'm Astha Mewada, your social science teacher. Welcome back to another video on my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about the four spheres of the Earth, that is lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. We know that Earth was just a fireball at the time of its origin. As this fireball cooled down slowly, it later transformed itself into many matters, that is solid, liquid and gas. Thus, the exact form of the Earth was created. We will see each one of these in detail in this video. So let's begin. Earth is the only planet in the solar system known to have life. Life exists on Earth due to the presence of the three main domains: land, water and air. These three domains represent the three states in which matter exists: solid, liquid and gas. These three meet and interact on the surface of the Earth. Now let us see the definition of each one of these. First, lithosphere. The land masses which provide living space for humans, animals and plants represent the solid domain of the Earth. It is called lithosphere. Hydrosphere. The oceans, seas and other water bodies which fill the depressions of the Earth's surface represent the liquid domain. It is called the hydrosphere. Atmosphere. The vast expanse of air around the Earth represents the gaseous domain. It is also called the atmosphere. And last we have biosphere. The narrow zone of contact between land, water and air where all life exists is called the biosphere. The solid outer layer of the Earth, consisting of various rocks and minerals, is called the lithosphere. The Greek word lithos means rocks. The upper layer of the Earth's crust is approximately 0 to 100 kilometers thick, and this layer is again thin as we go into the sea. Light matters like aluminium and silica are found here. Mountains, plateaus and plains are in this part of the land. As we go deep into the lithosphere, the temperature increases by 30 degrees per kilometer. Internal rocks are melted due to this intensive heat, and these turn into semi-liquid form known as the magma. Now coming to hydrosphere, the presence of water is a unique feature of our planet. About 71% of the Earth's surface is covered with water, and when seen from above, it looks blue due to this. Hence, it is also known as the blue planet. Water is found in the oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, etc. Hence, the part of the Earth which has water is known as the hydrosphere. Did you know 97% of the total Earth's water is found in the oceans? This water is saline. Remaining 3% of the Earth's water is fresh, out of which 2.5% of the Earth's fresh water is unavailable, locked up in the glaciers, polar ice caps, atmosphere and soil, highly polluted, or lies too far under the Earth's surface to be extracted at an affordable cost. 0.5% of the Earth's water is available in as fresh water. Living creatures and plants on the Earth cannot survive without water. The existence of hydrosphere is the existence of all living beings. Now coming to the atmosphere. The air which surrounds the Earth is called the atmosphere. The atmosphere is held to the Earth by the pull of gravity. The atmosphere is essential for the existence of life on Earth. It has life-giving oxygen for the survival of human beings and animals. The atmosphere is colorless, odorless and tasteless as well as transparent. Major gases in the atmosphere are nitrogen, oxygen, argon, carbon dioxide and ozone, etc. The atmosphere near the Earth's surface is quite dense. As we go above the Earth's surface, ratio of most of the gases in the atmosphere decreases. Since carbon dioxide is heavy gas, it is dense in the lower strata of the air and decreases in the above strata. The presence of carbon dioxide after the height of 20 kilometers, oxygen after the height of 110 kilometers, and nitrogen after approximate height of 110 kilometers is seen decreasing. At high altitudes, there are only light gases like hydrogen and helium. The part of environment like lithosphere, atmosphere and hydrosphere, wherever living being is seen alive, is called biosphere. Biosphere is comprised of variety of life forms. This living sphere includes human life, vegetation and animal life. Living beings on the earth's surface get food from the biosphere. Organisms of biosphere provide variety of food and raw material to the human world. Thus, the existence of human life is based on biosphere.